Hello, everybody.
Million% sure Rift's open over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
I don't know if let's put this way. I don't know if we will be able to get every single bits on clipboard in this episode. Not guaranteed. Well, not this episode, but in this first playthrough.
Okay, I see the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it. We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something. Oh! The crane moved the crystal!
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
There we go.
Dimensional something or other. Really ruined the safety record. Engaging children.
What are y'all doing here?
Returning to Chief Engineer with an important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Alright, so there's 30 total. I think there's like 20 some here. There's 23 here. So let's see how many we got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I didn't realize that was a platform, oops. Oh. Come on. Patience is a virtue. Not virtue of man, but it is a virtue. Come on, be patient. Thank you for being
Detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room. Me. The ceiling. I always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
Location unknown. Life form unknown. Protocol destroyed.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce scrap metal.
needed help. I needed help.
Location unknown. Life form unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
Nowhere to run.
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
Peter. Stop me. You dare defy?
Native life forms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
There you are.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
Whoa! That can't be good!
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. I will dislike it.
Clank, I just saw Ratchet on Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great! But appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the meta-terminal.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Hey! Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
So what is in that book of yours?
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation. Ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Oh, just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a Blargian phone book, that's a Gertrude tooth, that's a Terraclon love poem.
I am certainly down with this.
No, fine.
I am blocked. I think that saw can help clear the path.
I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank! Only 2 more to go. How are things going with Rivet?
Well enough. She hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? I'm so out of touch.
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me. Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier. Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either. I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
A good way to weigh things down. Possibilities are a visual representation of my mind, trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I help them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix everything. That saw is blocking the path. If I could just find a way to lower it.
Oh, shit. Oh, hello.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the sphere like that. Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about it.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much. This should lighten things up.
Okay.
Feeling faster than ever.
Ah, Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That and carrying a plunger.
Gotta be. There's gotta be a way. This has to be a way. I'm not figuring it out. No. No. Holy shit. Oh my god, figured it out. Figured it out.
The Blizzard anomaly has been fixed. Great job, Clank.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. And remember, confidence is the...
Now we can deal with the clog.
Yeah. I sent the top minds on the team to fix the tube, and they... That's it! Hydraulic supply restored!
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz.
Okay. That was a little tricky. But
Almost
we did.
there. Push the drill, get our phase quartz, repair the Dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet. Hey, look! The Bro Squad is back.
Both God.
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimensions, Blizzard.
Is it? That is a 12 for something.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
Jump to the side.
Okay.
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimensions, Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
Oops.
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimensions, Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
Oh, that was dope.
Nowhere to go!
First earthquake.
I cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimensions, Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
I went. Oh, okay.
I
Whatever.
cannot help thinking
What?
we still do not know what happened to your dimensions, Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
Right, everyone, but does anyone listen to me? No!
Warren? What?
approaching the main drill.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Alright, let's see. So I do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 of them. There's 23 in this area. But this is going to conclude this episode of Ratchet and Clank Ripped Apart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. And goodbye.